Check out this 2008 Lexus RX 400h. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are center console, power steering, traction control system, power lumbar seat, power lumbar driver seat, power windows, rear window defroster, folding rear seats, and 3-point rear seat belts. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.